Are you preparing to move in or out of Lancaster, California? In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Lancaster's best movers and how to make your move stress-free. At 3 Movers, we specialize in offering top-notch moving services for homeowners, renters, students, veterans, and business owners in Lancaster. We also offer vehicle transportation services. If you're moving long distances, why drive multiple vehicles when we can safely transport your car or motorcycle to your new home? Our packing services are designed to protect your belongings during transit. From fragile items to bulky furniture, we use the right materials and methods to ensure everything arrives safely at your new location. When it comes to moving in Lancaster, 3 Movers is the trusted choice. With licensed and insured services, professional movers, and a range of specialized solutions, we make your moving experience efficient and worry-free. Ready to move? Contact 3 Movers today for a free, no-obligation quote. Moving doesn't have to be stressful. With 3 Movers, you can trust us to handle all the details. Let us make your next move the best one yet.